Permacon is proud to present the new Vario Wall, a wall unit with a modern look designed for every project. Thanks to their innovative design and featuring a finished face on either side, the Vario Wall units don't need any accessories and make every installation a breeze. The unit comes in two heights, 90mm and 180mm, ideal for steps or modular designs. With integrated corners, you can create retaining walls, flower boxes, intimacy walls, or outdoor kitchens. The possibilities are endless. Vario Wall's smooth texture and dimensions is sure to create a modern look. Its color selection pairs perfectly with slabs, pavers, and cappings to create a cohesive design for any project. Integrate the Vario Wall to your landscaping project designs for an easy installation and an astounding look. The Vario Wall, the wall that does it all. Permacon, designed to build memories.